Welcome. If you've ever been randomly added to Telegram groups you didn't ask for, you're definitely not alone. The good news is that Telegram gives a control over who can invite you, and today I'll show how to limit those invites to only your contacts. Let's get right into it. First, open your Telegram app. Once you're on the main screen, look for the menu icon in the top corner. Depending on your device, it might be the three horizontal lines or your profile picture. Tap on it to open the menu. Next, go to Settings. This is where you can customize your account and privacy options. Inside Settings, find and tap on Privacy and Security. This section is all about controlling who can interact with you and how your information is shared. Now, look for the option labeled Invites. This is the setting that determines who can add you to groups and channels. Tap on Invites and you'll see a few options. To stop strangers from adding you to random groups, choose My Contacts. This ensures that only people saved in your contacts list can invite you to groups. Once you've selected My Contacts, make sure your choice is applied. Telegram usually saves it automatically, so you don't need to worry about extra confirmation steps. And that's it. From now on, only people you know and trust can add you to Telegram groups. No more unexpected group chats or spammy invitations. If you ever want to adjust this setting again, you can always come back to the same section and change it anytime. Thanks for watching.